Hello, my friends. How are you today? Good? Nice. Today, our activity is about math, okay? It's not difficult, but you need to pay attention. On your book, on page 11, we have here a dice. Right down we have two yellow triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles in red. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares in green, okay? This activity is about more, less, or the same, okay? More means that we have more, okay? What do we have more? 4 or 5? Which one is more? What did you say? There you go. 5 is more than 4. And less. Less is the same as minus, okay? Now, which one we have less? 5 or 2? Good job. 2 is minus, is less than 5. Now, the same. 5 and 5 are the same? There you go. Now look at here. We have a dice. How many dots you can see on this dice? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. Then you need to pick up a yellow pencil. Which one we have less than 5? 2 triangles, 5 circles, or 4 or 6 squares? Which one we have less? If you think 2 is less than 5, 2 is less than 5. Then you have to color in yellow, okay? Then you need to think about 5 and 6. If it's the same amount as in here, as in a dice, you're gonna color the rectangle in blue if it's the same. If it is less, yellow. If it is more, you're gonna color in red, okay? Okay, guys, it's not difficult, okay? Ask mommy and daddy to help you to color with the correct color, okay? Okay, sweeties, see you later.